You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names, including Indian names that too many people mispronounce as well. Stay tuned until the end of the video to learn more. Aayansh, Aayansh, Aayansh. Actually, Aayansh is how it's said. Aayansh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.